Replacing the nose bridge on a cloth face mask. Face masks have become an essential part of daily life. Some have started making fabric face masks. The problem is that they lack stability and cause fog to form on glasses. One solution to this problem is to add a nose bridge made of pipe cleaners. Once done, you'll have an extra layer of protection when wearing your cloth mask. It's best to wash your mask before and after handling it to ensure cleanliness. Lay the mask flat on the desired surface. Optional, steam the mask with an iron to completely flatten it and eliminate any creases. Caution, never leave your iron unattended. Be careful when ironing, as the appliance is hot to the touch. Measure the width of your face mask. Using a pen or pencil, mark the insertion point for the pipe cleaners. A fabric pencil would be best for marking, as it can be easily washed out. Remove the stitches from the seam where the elastic is located. If there is no elastic, the seam should open along the top of the mask. Caution, be careful where you put your fingers, as you could accidentally hit yourself with the seam remover. Remember to use a thimble for protection. Cut a strip of pipe cleaner about 10 centimeters long. Be careful when cutting the pipe cleaners with scissors. Place the pipe cleaner at the marks and fold the fabric. You can use this opportunity to test the placement of the pipe cleaners before sewing the hem. Sew around the pipe cleaner with the desired stitch. To make this easier, I recommend using a basic stitch. Try on the mask to make sure it fits. Bend the pipe cleaners to best fit your face.